I can't tell you how many times I've been in the middle of chatting with a customer and realized I had no idea about their past conversations, purchases, or even what stage they were in the sales funnel. That constant back and forth between chat tools, email, and CRM systems was exhausting. That's what pushed me to try Crisp CRM, a platform that promises to merge live chat, automation, and customer relationship management into one sleek system. But does it really deliver, or is it just another shiny tool in the crowded CRM market? Crisp is known primarily for its live chat and customer messaging platform, but its CRM offering goes a step further. Instead of separating customer communication from relationship management, Crisp builds everything into one system. That means every email, chat, and interaction lives in a shared inbox, and all customer data is tied directly to those conversations. The idea is to give you a full 360-degree view of your customer journey without switching tools. The shared inbox is the real star. Every message, whether it's coming from email, live chat, WhatsApp, or social channels, lands in one place. And because it's tied to the CRM, you're not just seeing a conversation, you're seeing who the customer is, what they've purchased, what issues they've had in the past, and even what pages they've visited on your site. This makes customer support and sales feel seamless rather than fragmented. Another standout feature is the automation. With Crisp, you can build chatbots that qualify leads, capture emails, or answer FAQs automatically. The system also lets you design drip campaigns and automated follow-ups, so you can stay in touch with prospects without manual effort. For small teams trying to scale, this can be a game changer. The CRM piece ties it all together. You can track leads, assign them to team members, and follow them through a pipeline. It's not as complex or feature-heavy as enterprise CRMs, but it covers the essentials: contact management, notes, tags, and custom fields. Add in the real-time data you get from live interactions, and you suddenly have a CRM that feels alive instead of just a database. Crisp also integrates with popular tools like Slack, Zapier, and HubSpot, so it can fit neatly into an existing tech stack. And the mobile app is surprisingly smooth, letting you manage customer relationships on the go. While Crisp CRM is excellent for combining chat and relationship management, it doesn't try to be an enterprise-level CRM. If you're looking for deep reporting, advanced sales forecasting, or complex customization, you may find it lacking. It's clearly designed for small to mid-sized businesses that want something simple and communication-driven, rather than heavy and complex. Also, because the system emphasizes live chat and messaging, teams that rely heavily on outbound sales or traditional CRM features might feel the balance is tilted towards support rather than sales. Pricing is another consideration. While Crisp offers a free plan for basic chat, the CRM and advanced features live behind the paid tiers. For startups, the cost is fair, but if you're scaling rapidly with multiple agents, it can add up. Crisp CRM stands out as a tool that blends communication and relationship management into one cohesive experience. If your business thrives on live chat, customer support, and inbound conversations, it's hard to beat the convenience of having your inbox, CRM, and automation all under one roof. It's fast, modern, and removes the headache of juggling multiple systems. That said, if your team needs a heavy-duty CRM with advanced analytics and deep customization, you might still need to pair Crisp with a more traditional platform. Think of Crisp as the CRM for businesses that want to prioritize conversations first and data second. So is Crisp CRM the right fit for you? If your biggest struggle is keeping track of conversations across multiple channels and building relationships in real time, this could be exactly what you're looking for. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let me know in the comments. Would you rather have a CRM that focuses on conversations or one that's heavy on analytics?